What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So we've got the OnePlus Watch 2 here in the studio, and today is Wednesday, March 6th when I'm recording this video. I just got back from picking up my Tesla Model 3 refresh, and a video of that is also going to be up on the channel. Lots of content coming, by the way, and also thank you guys for supporting the channel. But I'm back in the studio, and I've got the OnePlus Watch 2. I'm going to set it up and share with you guys my first impressions. I got the Radiant Steel, and just to first look at the actual band, at least on the box. I don't know what, I'm not a fan of the texture of that type of band, but we'll see. We're gonna get right into it. Now, I'm really excited to try this watch out, mainly because, I mean, it's been 3 years since OnePlus did update it. You know, I gotta get an unboxing knife. This is starting to get really annoying. How I don't have a, see, I already messed up the box right there. Oh well. Yeah, but I gotta get an unboxing knife. Let me know if you guys have any good suggestions on that, so I can unbox these in quality. But yeah, like I said, 3 years since the OnePlus Watch has been updated, and the original did not have Wear OS. So this is a big upgrade that it does finally come with Wear OS 4. There we go. We're greeted with the OnePlus Watch 2. Pull this tag up right here and slide this right out. And oh wow, this really does look nice. Again, I don't know about the texture of the actual band. We're gonna have to just try it out, but let's put this aside for now. Let's lift the box. It's a nice presentation. And it looks like we're gonna be getting a couple things on the rest. So we pull this little, push in this little tab, pick it up, and it looks like we're gonna get some paperwork in here. So we just get pretty much the user manual for those who are interested. And neatly, this is actually a really nice unboxing. Like, I like the packaging of this. This one, as you can see, shows the charging port. So we're gonna pull this out. There is USB Type-C to USB Type-A, and the charging puck is just gonna slide. There it is. It's a different type of charging puck. I think it's like proprietary at this point. I'm not too sure, but nonetheless, we're gonna try it out and see. And I don't remember the exact specs, but OnePlus Watch 2, I mean, it's OnePlus, it should probably have some sort of fast charging. So I'm gonna slide that right in there. Put back the box of the OnePlus Watch 2. So there we go, let's put that aside. Got my OnePlus 12 for setup. I also have the Apple Watch Ultra 2 on hand right now, and I'm charging my Samsung Galaxy, I was gonna say S6, Watch 6 Classic. So let's go ahead and peel this. If I can, there we go. Where is it? Right here. There we go. Just really, this is actually, there we go. Just peel it all. There we go. So we got the watch right here. Definitely looks really nice. Yeah, at an angle, you can definitely see the bezel around, but it's much better than the Pixel watch. If you guys want to see comparisons of the different watches, let me know. The bezel is definitely thinner than, less chunky than the Pixel Watch 2. But nonetheless, I'm going to go ahead and boot this up. I don't know which buttons I press. So there we go, OnePlus. And while that is booting up, let's remove this right here. I want to remove this tag. Oh, it says peel right here. I don't know what that does say. All right, Radiant Steel. So I'm gonna put that aside. Then take off my Apple Watch, put on my OnePlus Watch 2. Slide that on like that. Ooh, that is looking clean. That is looking very clean. I gotta say, I'm glad that I went with the Radiant Steel. There's Wear OS by Google. Okay, so I'm gonna actually use my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, download the O Health app. So let's go ahead. We got the O Health app, continue, agree, sure, yep, sure. And while that is pairing, okay, we're gonna hit pair on both watch and the phone. And it looks like, obviously, if I'm using my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you know, it's not just OnePlus exclusive. It will work on Android devices. As of now, I don't believe there is access, or it won't work with an iPhone. I prefer my left wrist. Sure, we'll do that. Allow, yep. Sure. Preparing your watch. So that's gonna take a little while, but look at that. I mean, the setup kind of looks like, this setup looks familiar to, it's one of its competitors, maybe something like Apple, but we'll see. All right, so obtaining Google account info. And let's, you know, I'm gonna take this off for the time being, if I can. There we go. Yeah, I don't like this band. It doesn't stay flat, whereas the Apple Watch band, like, I like how this lays down flat. Like, I don't know. Let's put this aside while I was obtaining my information. Let's take a look at the proprietary charger. So it says sign in. So I'm signing in, and let's see how it works. Oh, it's gonna go the other way. So it kind of has a magnetically kind of. You gotta feel it, and you'll feel it when you're charging it, when you place it on there. But I don't know, it's just like a plastic puck. It doesn't feel that great quality. So activate Google Assistant, no thanks. Skip. All right, while that's checking for the Google Play. Let's see what else. Select watch. You know, I guess we'll do that. All right, completing setup. So it looks fairly easy to set up. Okay, and this one now says starting. I'm gonna put the puck aside. Hello, learn how to use your new watch. No, thank you. I'll learn that as I go. So there we go. There is, that's the app. Let's put that aside because we don't really need that, but here is the watch face, and I actually like how this watch face looks. So you swipe to the left, or swipe to the right. I always mix it up, so I'm sorry. You swipe to the right, and you got the weather, you got time, or I guess you can use it for timer, and your calendar, days clear, okay, your health, stress, heart rate, sleep, everything else, like the widgets. There we go. And it's just kind of like a carousel, so it brings us back. What I'm gonna do is I wanna see what other watch faces there are. Gravity, there is blue gaze. That one actually looks really nice. Let's actually put on that blue gaze, and let's hit that to edit. Let's see what else we can edit. Wow, this digital crown doesn't even work. It just spins. That sucks. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and see which one. Let's do that one. And then you can choose the color behind, so it doesn't need to be blue gaze, or you can do green, you can do blue, turquoise. You know, let's go with green. So there we go. There it is. There is the new watch face. There are definitely other health features that I will dive into, but the overall build feels really nice. It looks very premium. Again, this digital crown, it's just a button. Like, you can just press it. When you spin it, it literally doesn't do anything. So do keep that in mind. There's nothing on the left-hand side, but the fact that it has Wear OS installed on here is really great. I watched Marquez's video, and this is like a hybrid type of thing. When you need to use Wear OS functions, Wear OS does kick in, but other than that, it's not using Wear OS. So I guess it's like a hybrid type of thing. You get the best of both worlds. Although, I mean, I don't know how great the proprietary OnePlus watch, the original one, was, but just as a comparison, here it is against the Apple Watch Ultra 2. And, you know, I'm going to lift it up. This band is really annoying, but there it is. Fairly, like, the same size-ish. I do believe this is, I'm going to pull it up and see here if it says it on the back. It was like 45 to 47 millimeter. I know it's smaller than the Watch Ultra 2. And here's the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. It doesn't have this physical ring right here. but nonetheless still has 2 buttons on the right-hand side. And they're very similar in size. I'm going to take a look at the bands and see if there's, any other bands, if I can get like a, I don't know, stainless steel or a Milanese loop or something, because I definitely will not be rocking this band. I just don't like the texture of it. Some may not. And so you can see wear OS right there, and swipe down system. You see all of your notifications. You click on this button right here. That brings your workouts. And here are your apps. So pinch to zoom in and out. So you can zoom in. This is actually really cool. Zoom in and you get the flashlight. Let's see. We got some other YouTube music settings. And then we zoom out. Honestly, that's pretty nice. But yeah, first impressions. I like it for $299. I got it for $249, $50 off. It's OnePlus, good job. I think they're doing a great thing with like the OnePlus 12, with the OnePlus Watch 2, and especially the OnePlus Open. I can't wait to see what's next. OnePlus, keep it up. That's been it for me. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to smash that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video, because it really does help out the channel a lot. Will help push my content out to more people. And if you want to check out my latest wallpaper pack, it is called Urban Glow. I'll be leaving a link in the description down below. Definitely does help out the channel as well. That's been it for me. I'll catch you guys in the next episode.